Okay, I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm going to try to get to church. Move with me. Where are we going? Oh, damn. All right.
You want to go for church?
Yeah, I want to go for church. Come with me.
Who's that right there?
Come on. Where? To the left? I don't know. Let's go. My mask is starting to get fucked up with all
that guy right there.
Where? Hey, will you help us get into church? Help us get into church. Are they in church? Do you know? All right. Hey, Ginger! Shoot death! Shoot at death! I don't know, just start shooting. 1, 2, 3, go! What? Go, 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 go. Move up, move up, move up, move up, move up, move up. I'm gonna get this flag. Damn it. Hey Ginger, where you at? He's out. There's a guy in that first trench.
Right there, right there.
Where?
Same bunker, I think. Oh, he's going home.
Yeah?
Watch up there by the sniper tower.
Hey, we got a guy in the trench right up here. Right in the front. I can see him moving. I don't know if he dove down or not, but I know he's in there.
Or
what?
In the center building?
Yeah, this building right here where I'm in about that building.
You get death? Is death gone?
Death is gone.
Alright.
So the only word we have is this bunker right here.
And behind us, but they're not.
Yeah, they're going to 90 seconds! They're going to be inserted.
Hey, Jacob, run up there.
Here it comes. Come on, hit, Bill. Come on, hit.
Run up there, Jacob.
Run up where?
To that bunker. Try to bunker that guy that's in there. I'll hang the flag real quick. Ready?
Wait, I don't know where you're talking about.
This bunker right here. Ready? I'm going to try to hang the flag. Right here, Jacob. At this tree I'm shooting at. He's in this bunker.
Where, is there anyone in these trenches right here?
I don't know. Can you move up on that guy, please?
Where is he?
This bunker, this. I'll shoot at it. He's out. He's out. Come on, move up with me. Move up with me. Move up, move up. Let's go, let's go. You gotta get the flag. Shit.
That flag was raised white. That flag is now white. White middle, white middle, white middle.
I'm hit. Jacob, Jacob! That's what I thought, Chris. You hiding in there. Go to the center, go to the center, go to the center. I just raised it.
I can't see it.
Are you out? Good job, Ginger. Jacob, just hold it. Okay. Well, good thing I got that flag.
Yeah. Did you just leave church or?
Huh?
Were you just in church or no?
Yeah, I got shot out when I went and grabbed the flag.
There's one in two-story somewhere still, so you're shooting at me over there, so careful.
Game is over! There's a draw! That's a tie!
That's a-
Nobody wins! What we done? You got the run!
We had most.
This game is done! This game is done!
We had most flags pulled.
I think he was requiring you to have all flags pulled.
Damn it. What was the point of me getting shot up over that?
Because you pulled it, we're third of the way instead of
May not have
halfway.
been
A third
an
of the way.
official win, but I'll take that as a partial victory.
Yeah. I consider that as a win myself.
We've been given 10 more minutes, we got one, honest.
Sneaky games, tricking people.
If I don't say myself, I consider that a win.
It was a cool game.
Good job.
Thank you.
I know, I had
That was a lot of fun.
that one paintball.
Oh.
Right down a twig.
Ah.